go!
This is your reformer.
Okay.
Yes, this is your foot platform. Okay, this is your shoulder rest,
Oh.
head rest. So yellow is
ito
your
yung
lightest.
springs.
Opo.
Okay. Okay. Ganyan? Ganito po? Uy, kinakabahan ako. Okay.
Then she's gonna wrap your
Oh.
ball with your ankle.
Oh my gosh. Coach, hindi po ito nakikita.
Exhale here. Yeah, straighten the knees. Stretch it up and down. Up. Straighten the leg.
Hello?
That's your ball arm to the side.
Uy, grabe naman ang brain coordination, coach.
Exhale. Kick your leg up towards the ceiling.
Uy, paano yan, coach?
Exhale. Push
Ganito
down,
po?
stretch neck. Dito lang. 5, 6,
Ah, okay.
7,
Pump.
pause it down. 8,
Ah, okay.
down, bounce, 2, 3, bounce it, bounce.
Uy! Ay, ang
Inhale,
sarap.
return.
Oh!
I love. Inhale, return.
Ay, ang sarap nito. Ay!
Yes.
Ay, aray ko.
Inhale,
Ah!
return. Exhale, push out and stretch.
Ay, ang sarap talaga nito.
In-
Aray ko.
Bring your hips up lang. So inhale to prepare. Yeah. Exhale, hips up. Okay. Move the leg.
Aroy! Diyos ko po.
Straighten it up. Your right
Oh my
leg.
gosh. Coach, totoo ba to?
Oo nga. And up. Exhale down. Inhale here.
Oh my God, coach.
From here, exhale. Push out your leg towards the mirror.
Ah!
Yeah.
Aroy! Leg
Inhale,
raise.
keeping your legs. Bring your legs up and over.
Aray ko!
Sige, sige. Bigay mo.
Uy! Aray ko, coach! Oh my God!
Yes, yes, yes.
Coach, hindi ko kayang gawin mag-isa yun, coach.
And rolling up.
Oh! Oh! Wait.
Wait.
Ah!
I did it!
Ah! Pwede pong humawak sa may ano?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
And rolling up. There you go.
Ah!
And hinge.
Aray ko, hindi ko po kaya ng slowly, coach. Sorry, coach, hindi kaya ng slowly. Bumabagsak agad. Ay!